Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technology. Today I want to talk a little bit about who we are and who's behind VHT. We have one mission. We're about one thing, and that is providing you the most value for the product or service that you buy from us, all built and assembled in the United States. And at the same time, we want to support that product or that service that we've built for you. And that is something that we take a lot of pride in, and we've done that for many years now. And we have an impeccable warranty that is just, it's the best in the industry. There's no other warranty in the industry that's this great. And it's one of the big main reasons that people choose to do business with us. We ship hundreds and hundreds of packages a week, whether it's just parts orders or replacement parts to different customers. So we are UPS and FedEx's best friend, but that's what we're here for. That's who we are. That's what we're about. And we hope that you guys will join us on your business journey or your hobby and buy your next product from Vapor Honing Technologies.